Are you ready to take your web development skills to the next level? Introducing a new course, Basics of Flask for Beginners.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no step. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guac on the bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
In this course, you'll learn how to set up a development environment, create virtual environments, and dive into the world of Flask. You'll learn how to create routes, handle requests, and use templates to build dynamic web pages. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience with web development, this course is perfect for you. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to building a complete Flask project. With our step-by-step guidance, you'll be building web applications like a pro in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and let's get started.